I will say I'm a memo auspicious the Boss TV. So take it or leave it program and yes, I shall say you know a dim common now quickly no and then come on is so simple and yes I perform kakra because of Samba Kumi now and then Simon Wahum where the second edition may change the current MC for Ejura-Sekyedumasi municipality. In the person of Honorable Rafiu Seydou Adams, Adjune Esisu say, number Bisan say, so we respect Emma the traditional rulers here, a war Ejura-Sekyedumasi na, the kind no, the Tosumienu, Wayana June say, one the traditional rulers no, Ebeye Juma. Said the local government act no ekano and also we decide say or no one effort any to me a buy no the man no and now man penny the man no assembly members no confirm no or no di ni to me and answer na ho de ebetimi aye adwuma na ya woni say oba barely 2 months muni no on visiting any traditional rulers within our municipality. Na enchai midikai ebetwe one presiding member adwene si niema ba ku mienu bi so. Na ekire no mene MC di nkoma no okase owo orientation muntina niema ba ku mienu bi onya nhya adwuma. Meanwhile na yesu yenim say was an official duty as municipal chief executive no as da. Not knowing say a bill Sena MC any presiding member Aba and Ejura-Sekyedumasi Ama womo any road engineer a war Ejura-Sekyedumasi municipality no Abe survey and to bawa le kwan Echo survey and water force ekwan any water force na kasa Wamu ye no so omu hwe ufa kuma enyinasu tu kuma sekwan no so abo ya abepo no so baabi enya kura ana afei uwura boya si krona kasa mu a ye wo a very dilapidated pothole bi o hwa no asete death trap bi o hwa ni nyina no MC aba akwa ama empo uhe ba wale ekwan a wo mko survey a wo se wo de electricity extension free anyinasu akọ a ema assembly members ni unit committee members ni bi kura no through that no ekotwa manfo bi aburo kura egu yi kwan tum se omo eba beye the light post eba be sisi honomo de akọ ba wale no mo nso enya enkanea die mabubo so nyina ya de a MC enka wadwuma enka anamon pa watu wo pese wo ba ya wo mpasua so every area wo pese empuntuo eniema bia na atechima ewo ho no sa wo behwe na watu ho anamon na mibibisa se the traditional rulers ehemfo ewo ye mansini yimu hanom no what me aba nyinasu ni Sekyedumasi abe survey niema mebubo so nyina without touching the traditional rulers, without visiting them unyi wo di ensre wo mo se na namadawro mamabao na ba ne de ba ya assembly members confirm me no ejamaba mo nan so wo be nyinasu a problems wo happen wo se wutimi bama na nanom so to womanum to extra say this area this side ye hia moa wa ha ye be hia we hwede ye nyina supermarket aye wo ko Sekyedumasi the same thing ye wo areas bebre wo water force so epie wo Sekyedumasi a ye wo areas bebre wo Sekyedumasi no so no wo ko ye no chese acquire say you don't respect the traditional rulers. This is it's an awesome kano. because be 2 months in here so in what show adwuma ase appointment bebre koso o maso ye enwuma bebre koso o empomo political party I wa Ejura-Sekyedumasi NDC nim feeding program e koso a enema ye deja. So honorable MC wadawruma, what prevents you from say we need the traditional rulers ebe ko naide? Because first and foremost and sasina kasa wo ba so eye nananom ensase ana ba ne di waba to say we be regulate things in the western world fashion. What you say? So I think say what decide say what ni nananom the traditional rulers na himfo no anya adwuma when am dwena ya me hu because at this time pan MC ya point to what you adwuma se na traditional rulers no nya hunu wa mu emu bia na meaning say you are not ready or you have decided not to work with them. This is what you say. Mama yen fa ni die emma de ni die so o me ma mo hweso bi say azumi say mama nanam hoyi na something esi say ebia eye adepa bi esi ana sabio adeboni bi esi bone kra de ye ntwenko akire na eye ade say eye obvious say eye say MC wo ba kuro ni mu mi hu ano wo meda wo ho adi nkire nananom obi ati udin wanabo Rafiu Adam Sedu se wono na ye Ejura-Sekyedumasi mensini krache panyi ba nipa no onimu etu ochina no bibi besi ama wo ba kuro ni mu na how are you going to be received by the traditional rulers? I think sir some of you, my viewers and the listeners, know. I mean, bear with me about what I am saying, and I am speaking with the fact. We have previous MCs aba kone adia. The moment here, you be confirm no. The first thing I be say, we be kona nanum enim. And I'm not here say me na me chira udie e wo say wo ye and idea that ho amu nyina amunim. And at this point, let's say, Sadia we say no, want to sana more we are. Then I say a mawo etiasie. Now from our own physical mobility, ya jirimuno. Ye hune say when you ready. Now upesa on neglect the traditional rulers no from amamua and ejuma upesa obeye no ejura. I have already said the Local Government Act now. You cannot do away without the traditional rulers. Whether with all due respect, so we shall mean as a wutemia, Munchi ye MC ye presiding member. Any employing for Akawa Ejura-Sekyedumasi adwini so my say. Are you too late to visit the traditional rulers? No? But BBNC and also the enye too late in so say womu ebetu sana mo way animonimu ya amana nanom so ede eye hia dia ewo ye kuromu ye mpatamu ye mantamu so to womonim now also as MC you know wo botaye wo so wo vision ene wo ambition no wo so no wama nanam so aye den ehunu say the next program I beba no ye be showcase enyema bebre ama MC you want to say there would do when you be hwehwe ye no ne ade nyina is part of the problem sir ye hwehwe ho solution but enya eno nko ankasa se mo aye ade na mo ba na na mo animu a ho enka mo beti de ehia pa e ka we no mo ho ani de eye say ni mo nimu ya mutu ho anamom. But one thing is MC and function with trimu da say assembly member wo in the East electoral area. On a mobile draw mo political party member or ya this ni entino mu take that assemblyman for granted. Na ma neglect the chieftaincy institution. No, don't do that because mobile more consort to man touching the traditional rulers. No, now more consort to only the assembly member and some of the unit committee members. No, totally wrong in the first place. Before our ba nanano asase so abe inspect abe survey eniema baaku mienu miensa bi no senka wodi kan abe da wo ho adi akyere nanano a at any point in time you can come to the town to do whatever you want to do in a developmental manner without even going to the traditional rulers in Hobio. Ye kanu krese ya kyerɛw ebia sama meka kyerɛw nei obefa ebeboa wo ebia onfa ekwan bi so but ebeduru mle bi no ubenu hu se ebia na wa plan say you don't want to work with the traditional rulers na honorable MC anhwe bema wa mamuo no ana say dwumade ye de ahye wonsa no ebeye de pa. I am telling you, wait, take it or leave it. And mo back ana say mudi MC ye chi no mo so mo ntwe na adwene si niema bi so ebia na adwene nko so ebi so na adwene wo so na mo anso no munya brema no mo ma no mo ntwe na adwene si so say wasa na dwuma ase nanso so no baby wo ho a achia eno ne idea na ye very important idea ye say nka wotache eno ne say obe dan ho adi akire the traditional rulers no bibia di wa MCU betima kan be convince obi say ade we enti abra wa hye wadwuma official duty ase. There is nothing you betimi their excuse ho say ade we anasa ade we meanwhile wa hye wadwuma ase. Ye betima bobo project bebrebe a wo attach no Ejura. Ye betima bobo project bebrebe a wo empo wa ba nyina su hanom wo pese wo ba ba ye besre. It's about time you have to work with the traditional institution, no? And you cannot work alone as MC without, consulting or collaborate with the traditional rulers. I am telling you the fact. Ejura-Sekyedumasi ho frante drobon enyina sunom won visit any traditional rulers yet. You have started your official duty as MC in the Ejura-Sekyedumasi municipality. This is my humble appeal to the current municipal chief executive in the name or the person of Honorable Rafiu Adam Sedu. Say, Wadauruma, the last time I'm a beka say, wofra ye no di nkomo kire me nema ba ku mienu bia ni sumete wase. But actually na anoma bi ewisagu mitiri say wa ba nyina su ni Sekyedumasi any presiding member mu wo ba wo de road engineer mu eba be survey ekwan mobile be a whole lot. And where there I am telling you say ebasa de di kan one for respect the traditional rulers in our municipality, those you've not yet visited. No, they told me you have decided not to work with the traditional institution, no, and they told me and so say bibi betimi see and now ubetimi project be bar and Ejura-Sekyedumasi ne other areas communities you've not yet visited. No, ama who do anymore without touching the traditional rulers. Nana. This is just my humble appeal to the current MCE and the presiding member as well. Etiebesre say when a catch the night say you should have done this earlier before I was starting Wajuma. But me too fonso say bibia me bo mu fufuro idie and catch they so say ubetu sa na mono na aboa ama the collaboration between municipality and the traditional institution no so no etimi akabomu intact aboa wonim edu ba bia ukwa ejura yin timi elobi eye wono ani project anase Sekyedumasi hene Ejura-Sekyedumasi hene ene other chiefs no ana ahemfo akase no ne nkura twetwa ye nwahia no wo mutimi wurezi fund ewo wo mo kurom tie ni ye o edi eye project bi makuru no wo mu wi a na mo amamanyofo yi so mo be ye campaign na mo take that eye project ya ohiri bi woni kurom a wo wurezi fund am wo mo de aye no se me pen so wo kwa Ejura-Sekyedumasi a na Ejura-Sekyedumasi hene me time mukwa Ejura-Sekyedumasi a me beye MP ana me beye MCE ena Ejura-Sekyedumasi project we ebaaye wo ko Sekyedumasi a me beye MP me beye MCE ena project we ebaaye eduru ba bia na nanom hwebudi no omabu omoni agu ne maso nya se wo mo nkan bet for the betterment and the development of their community no ntina nananom ye din ne ehwemu miwa ebia nananom na ewurezi fund no and ebia through that no so no through invitation no ye invite mo amode mo kakra bi be share yet mo de ye campaign say yem fa nyina so nto abama mo it is asade we ye beba na say oman no ne kuro no hia development na development no so dodo na fra ban mu a ebefa wo MCE no so ene beba na wo be ye na wouldn't consult the traditional rulers now. I am telling you, sir, you are wrong in the first place. And you one fabu so am the traditional rulers, no. And why you doing so say one person with the traditional rulers, no by Juma is enough to you, and it is your own cup of tea. And mera enen krabia and a better. This is my humble appeal. And then my banoboko. Yeah, quite no. I think, sir. Obi enu wa criticize MC the current MC any presiding member apart from me, and this is the second part me ye koye nimu no ye be bie niema bebre so akere me se ye be showcase niema say MC wo bay wo tachi wo kwa be memo boya senom network ni niema bia wo hono a even though wa ba wa hunu niema ekoso but the mistake ya wa ye and say won't consult to the traditional rulers, no. That is my problem. And some of the traditional rulers, no, are aware, even they are waiting for you. Say, Monso, but no, do and here they are told monim. The dawa makoma, so the beboa chrono. Now also so do aim, and I will both high so at all monim. I wish you where you take it or leave it. Auspicious the boss ni. Ubetumi so afremi bribi isro no. Yebesa share with the same network. Makrao.